So, you want to be a trader. It feels like playing a video game with real money. You click buy, you click sell, and boom, instant money. But it may not be as easy as you think. There are some obstacles you have to overcome first. The first obstacle is probably how this dream even started. You saw someone on the internet making $1,000 a month by just clicking some buttons, looking at a few charts and drawing lines on them, and they told you it's the easiest thing you'll ever do. The only thing you have to do is buy their course. But think about it. If earning money was that easy, why are they selling you a course? Why are they asking you to join their private group? Why are they making YouTube videos every day instead of trading quietly and becoming millionaires? Because their real income comes from you, from your views, your subscriptions.
I've made so much more money teaching than I did trading. I can tell you honestly.
Have I made more money teaching and mentorship than I have in live trading?
In reality, it's almost impossible to make consistent long-term profits from trading. The entire system is built on randomness. There's even a YouTuber who created a completely random algorithm just to test it out. And guess what? It produced the exact same chart patterns you see in the real stock market. So let that sink in for a moment. According to multiple research papers, only about 1% of traders actually make consistent, sustainable profits in the stock market. And around 2% earn less than a McDonald's employee. Social media created a myth. It looks exciting, an escape button from your boring life. But the truth is far from it. Let's do some math. Let's say you made $100 in a trade. Feels good, right? Now remove your broker's fees, maybe $5 gone. Then taxes, depending on your country, another 10 to 20%. And if your next two trades lose $60 each, you're not a trader. You're back to negative. Trading is a zero-sum game. For every winner, there's a loser. If you made money, someone else lost that exact amount. And most of the time, that someone losing is you. Meanwhile, on the other side of the screen are professionals, hedge funds, algorithmic bots, and big institutions who trade millions of dollars in milliseconds.
21 million shares already.
Wow, and we are not even 3 minutes in.
They're not guessing like you. They're running simulations, analyzing market depth, and using data you don't even have access to. It's their job to take your money. It's not a fair game. It's like playing chess against a supercomputer. Even if you somehow win sometimes, the math of probability still works against you. You might win 6 out of 10 trades. Sounds good. But if your losing trades are bigger than your winning ones, you still end up in the red. That's what makes it tricky. You can look like you're winning, while slowly bleeding money over time. Then you might ask, if it's all random, how come so many people seem to be making money? What about analysts and all those chart patterns? Well, you're right. Some are making money. Even if it's random, humans are predictable. There are patterns in our lives. So now you just have to study those patterns and you'll be a millionaire if you don't forget that you're also human. And that means you also have patterns and habits. Most traders don't lose because of the market. They lose because of themselves. The biggest enemy in trading isn't the chart, it's your mind. The market is a mirror. It shows your greed, your fear, your ego, and then punishes you for all of it. You buy too early because you're scared to miss out. You sell too late because you're greedy for a little more. You lose, then try to win it back quickly. And that's how every trader's downfall begins. Trading makes you believe you're in control, but in reality, you're not. You can't control the charts, you can't control the market, and most of the time, you can't even control yourself. That's why professional traders aren't emotional. They don't celebrate wins. They don't cry over losses. They're like robots. And to be like that, you need to give time, money, and effort. You need a minimum of 1 to 2 years in this industry just to build that mindset. And in that time, you will lose money, more than you can imagine. And the stress that comes with it, that alone is enough to break most people. So, do you still think you can be a trader? Oh, I forgot to tell you about the scammer. If you've made it this far, you will face them. There are some big names in trading. They are seen as gods of trading. And all of them, scammers. You might look past them. And then there are the math geniuses. Jim Simons, his company's average return is 66%. The greatest investor you know, Warren Buffett, he makes 20% annual return. That's a return every investor dreams of. But he is nowhere near that 66%. They hire PhDs, math geniuses, top engineers from the best universities. And these are the people coming for your money. Now, don't get demotivated. It's not impossible. People are making money from it, and you can too. I made this video just to show you it's not as easy as it looks, or at least not how you thought it would be. It's a skill, an expensive one you have to learn like any other skill. If it's the money that attracts you, don't go there. But if it's the mindset that comes with this profession, then you can go for it.